BJP candidate from Sohiong, Eric Kharbuki, on Monday said that the Anti-Bjp campaign will not work for the election to the Sohiong constituency since the people have witnessed how the various political parties came together to form the government after the elections. Admitting that the Anti-Bjp campaign had affected during the recent Assembly General elections, Kharbuki said that the political equation now is totally different since all parties are part of the same coalition, whether it is NPP, UDP and also the BJP. He said that the BJP's chances are there to do well in the Sohiong constituency since the various political parties are part of the coalition, which is the Saffron Party is also part of.
We still have a chance to win because due to the recent collision of the government like this, because all of them got together with the BJP only. So I think the citizens of the constituency, the people in the constituency, I think they have to have a look at that.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature